saying very big all the time. You can say huge, it sounds more fun. Don't say very small again, just say tiny now and then. Simple changes make it right. Speak more clearly, sound more bright. Stop saying this, say that instead. Use better words inside your head. Speak with confidence, don't delay. Upgrade your English every day. Stop saying very good, my friend. Say excellent from now on then. Don't say very bad again. Terrible fits better when. Little changes, big result. Easy words, no need to hold. Stop saying this, say that instead. Use better words inside your head. Speak with confidence, don't delay. Upgrade your English every day. Very happy, say delighted. Very tired, say exhausted. Speak smarter, not too hard. Better words will take you far. Stop saying this, say that instead. Every word you choose is said. Step by step you'll find your way. Better English